Alright guys, here's another pair. My unfaded Texas Red. He's a stud. I love him. Great character, great personality. And I'm gonna give these guys as many tries. I just believe sometimes it's a hit and miss with him fertilizing the eggs. We're gonna see. He's one of my pride and joy, so I'm gonna let him have at it at the 75 gallons. I don't know how big he's gonna get. He has a lot of growth. Right now, he's around a good 8 inches. We had a whole lot more room to grow. So, we're gonna see what's happening. Just another pair of 4.